I'm going to show you how to follow a complex radius using the Surface Analysis tool. Sometimes when I'm doing a design, I'm trying to follow the bottom of a radius and it can be quite difficult. So what I've started doing is using the Surface Curvature tool in the Analyze toolbar, and if you set the values correctly, it will give you a great visual that you can follow as you draw your lines. So this is me trying to do a curve without using it, which is not bad, but it takes a long time and you're kind of guessing. So why not use the Surface Analysis to show you? So if you go Analyze, Surface, Curvature Analysis, and often you'll need to adjust the values. I've found these values work really well for these kind of hard radiuses. And then, as you can see, you basically get your radiuses highlighted, and then if you hit, I make the background black, and then if you hit the vertex snaps, I just follow along kind of the bottom of that blue and red colored area, and I normally get a really good result. By the way, this is using the Gaussian style in the selection box up the top, which you can't actually see here, and this is an automatically generated analysis mesh. So we'll do some more videos where we go into more detail, but this will get you out of trouble if you're trying to follow the bottom of a radius. And you can see that line is looking pretty good, and if I extrude it as a surface, you can see it's nice and even. Thank you.